Just study lesson, we'll be learning about seed, and at the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify seed, define the term seed, and know some types of seed. Remember, every fruit, well, not all fruits has seed, but today we're going to be identifying fruits that have seed. Now, on my fine plate, I have some fruits of which you all know and can identify these fruits. Can we? All right. What is this fruit? Yes. I know your mom or your dad is sitting close to you now. You'll be able to tell mom or dad about this fruit. This is avocado pear. And this is an orange. We know this. We know fruit gives us vitamin C, isn't it? Yes. Now, today, I want to tell you so many fruits that have seed. Now, look at this avocado pear. And this is an avocado seed. Now, this is an orange. If you look at this orange, there are seeds in it. And this is an orange seed. Can you see it? Now, this is a bean and is a seed. So we're able to identify some seed. Now, I know you should be able to tell me when I give you activity today, you should be able to list some other types of seed you know. Okay, this is seed. Now we want to know the meaning of seed. Seed is a small hard part of a plant from which a new plant grows. Remember, before an orange tree grows, there must be something that has been put inside the ground to grow, and that is seed. Remember, I showed you an avocado pear. Now, before you can get an avocado pear, there must be a seed. That is why the meaning of seed is a small hard. If you look at this seed, it's hard. It's hard. And we know the opposite of hard is soft. Now, seed is a small hard part of the plant from which a new plant grows. We're going to learn a song about the definition of the seed. But before then, let's take it slowly. And I believe you're listening how I'm defining it. Seed is a small hard part of the plant from which a new plant grows. I repeat, seed is a small hard part of the plant from which a new plant grows. I'm going to teach you a song which you and I will sing together. Seed is a small hard part of a plant from which a new plant grows. Seed is a small hard part of a plant from which a new plant grows. This is an activity for you to ascertain if you understood this lesson. You write 5 fruits that have seed in them. Make a video of yourself and share to me on Class Dojo. See you next time. Love you.